Give it some revs. One more time. Hey, what's up, YouTube? We're in the shop. Got an owl.
Hey.
We got a badass Toyota Land Cruiser here. Really badass. LS motor. It's got decent exhaust on it already, but they want something better. So we are going to get rid of all of this. Get some high flow cats in there. What mufflers are we going with, or muffler?
I think we're going to either go with a 44 Flowmaster or a Black Widow. Just not 100% sure yet.
Yeah, either a Flowmaster or a Black Widow in here. And yeah, it should be pretty sweet. So, oh, we're also going to do a cutout on it. So yeah, quick time performance cutout. Let's get to work. So we're putting a cutout in this one so that he can run Flowmaster or no Flowmaster. And we only use QuickTime performance cutouts. You guys can buy those shitty ones on Amazon for 80 bucks and have them go bad on you, or you can buy the good one from QuickTime Performance. Let's see, go ahead and flip that switch out. Let me see. Oh yeah. There we go. All right. Yeah, so here's where we are so far. 222. We just got to build out the tailpipe and then we're all done. We'll see what this sounds like. All right, we got it all finished up. Let's start at the tailpipe here. Tailpipe nice and tucked away, won't get hit. Clears the axle. Clears the shock. Nice mount. Flowmaster. Then we get to our sweet cutoff there. Y pipe into high flow cats. All cleaned up, ready to go. Let's see what this thing sounds like. Hey, what's up? We got Mark here. What's up, Mark?
What's up?
He'll give us a little rundown on exactly what this vehicle is and what they've done. So, yeah, what'd you guys do to this thing?
So this is a FJ62 that has an LS swap in it. It's got a nice little old man emu suspension, and it's got a lot more power than it used to now.
Yes,
so it
does.
drives like it should. And now we brought it to the guys over at the Slow Shop to make it sound like it should.
Yeah, instead of a sleeper, right?
It's totally sound like a sleeper.
Yeah.
So we also, these guys were able to put in a nice little electronic dump valve for us. So when he's feeling a little brave,
Yeah.
he'll be able to open up that valve and really open up that engine and scare the hell out of everybody.
Hell yeah, man.
So-
Well, what's the name of the company you guys are with?
So I'm Mark. I'm from Park Place over here in Boise, Idaho, at the old Lupo Motors location. So if you guys ever need anything, come see us. We got
do
great
it all.
partners. We do everything you guys kind of need.
Hell yeah, man. Well, thanks for bringing it into us,
Yeah,
brother.
no problem. I appreciate it.